Hi guys, welcome to another GoPro tips and our video. Today we're going to make a carabiner hook with our GoPro on the bottom of it so we can hook it onto anything like so. Okay, so first things first, the things we need. So we've got our electrical tape, because this isn't thick enough, but if you have a bigger carabiner you won't need that. We have a handlebar mount, our GoPro of course, and our carabiner. Get our carabiner, and this is what it is like. First things first, we will put our handlebar mount onto about where we'll have it, which is down here. As you can notice, there is too much slack in there, so we are going to need to tape it up. Okay, take the handlebar mount off, get our electrical tape, and wrap it up. Now that's pretty tight. Now the thicker that you have it, the better it is, because then the harder that it can hold. So now I'll get a GoPro. Now the last thing we need to do is, if we're hanging upside down like this, you'll be filming upside down. So you need to go into our settings. And then we'll find the up and make it upside down, and exit, and then it'll be filling upside down like so. So we have our clip mount here, so we can clip onto anything with the carabiner. It's a bit untidy. If you have a different colour electrical tape, it might work better, like silver or something, but it doesn't really matter.